Hey G.I. Joe fans, Joe Motion Videos 82 here. It is time for an unboxing. This was completely unexpected. This is from one of our longtime channel supporters, Vinny C. You can see his name down in the channel supporter group. He sent me this box. Woke up to a very nice surprise. I worked last night and found this sitting out by my front door. So I have not yet opened it. So this is going to be quite interesting. It's a heavy box. So let's go ahead and cut into this. And see what we got. Letter. Happy birthday. You remembered. Gosh, thank you very much. Yes. And you remembered my age too. Yeah, I'm 29. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm not going to say what's in this box. He listed it here, but talked about some file and stuff like that. Modern. Oh, okay. Well, thank you, Vinny. This is incredible. Yeah, I'm wearing one of my birthday presents right here too. My mom picked that up the other day. So today's the 17th. My birthday will be tomorrow. See, a bunch of Modern Joes. Here, Dusty. That's a pretty cool one. I like him. This looks like another Dusty. I like the desert camo on him. Oh, thank you. I've been chasing this shipwreck for a while. Look at that. Very nice. Not sure who this guy is. I'll have to look him up. But look at the hands on him. You can see that they were practicing or trying to figure out their sculpting. You can see O-ring. This is from the early 2000s, it looks like, just by the sculpt. So they had to, you can tell by the big shoulder joints there. Still doing the O-ring. The plastic is relatively the same composition. So yeah, this is very, very interesting. The accessories for the figures. Oh wow, I'm gonna have a lot of research to do. Oh, okay, this is Spirit. Modern Spirit. Never go wrong with Dr. Mindbender. Yes, I would have put him with my Venomization chamber because this is Devour versus Venom 2003 Dr. Mindbender, so that's going to work out perfect. Yeah, he'll be on display with the Venomization chamber. That's great. Thank you. Let's see. Oh. I needed bubble wrap actually, so I have to send a gift out to my nephew. Oh, right. Steel Brigade. Thank you so much. You never have too many of these. Oh man. It's one of the few G.I. Joe intentional army builders. Like Barbecue, you know, he could be used as an army builder. You know, the ones where you can't see their faces. So, thank you so much. packed this very well. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, this is too cool. See that? It's a military flight insignia for medics. Oh man, Vinny. This is incredible. You know, I'm gonna put this with my dad's memorial with his flag. Definitely, that's I was trying to think of a place where I could display that. That's perfect. I will go with my dad's flag. So thank you very much, Vinny. Oh, some file cards for Storm Shadow, Firefly, Undertow, and the Fast Blast Viper. These were for action figures that he had sent me a long time ago, and he said he's going to look for the file cards. So now I have the file cards for those. Yeah. And those were an exclusive release. I can't remember the name of the store. I'm wanting to say Fred Meyer, but I don't think. It was something very similar to a Fred Meyer. I think it started with a letter B. Sent me a Home Depot bag. Never have enough Home Depot bags. Oh, crapola crayons. Oh my gosh. I have to... These are magazines from the fan club. Check that out. Yeah, that's from the G.I. Joe Renegades, which you could find on YouTube now, by the way. Yeah, let's show you a few covers. The back of the cover. Wow. There's a lot of magazines in here. We couldn't figure out why it was so heavy. I just love the cover art. Action Team. Footloose, it's in the introduction of for this channel. And he has them all in order too. Some little collage of the modern figures, 25th anniversary. So yeah, Vinny, thank you so much, buddy. Wow. I guess I have a lot of reading to do. Not that I haven't done enough already. With healthcare or any license holder, I'm sure throughout the United States that holds a professional license, you have to renew it every so often. So my license, my respiratory therapy license, is every 2 years. On my birthday, has to be renewed before then. Otherwise, I could be in some serious trouble for practicing on an expired license, essentially without a license. So these past few weeks I've been doing nothing but studying, because you have to have continuing education credits, and so I've been spending a lot of time online taking these courses. Fortunately, a lot are free, but those are usually worth 1 point, and I need 20 points. So the ones that are worth more points I have to pay for. So anyway, that was interesting reading. This is fun reading. So thank you so much, Vinny. This means a lot to me, man, especially remembering my birthday. Yeah, I can't thank you enough. You guys, this is great. It's never necessary to send anything to the channel, but it's always appreciated. So, wow. Yeah, been a little choked up. Sentimental in my old years. So, anyway, you guys take care. I have some playing to do and some research to do on those figures. So, you guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you very much to my new subscribers. I answered back to everybody finally. Kirk, I am sorry it took me so many weeks to finally get back with you. Some of these comments don't pop up until weeks later, so I go through and I go through my message board on YouTube and answer back. So there's also been some requests for Vampire. So if you guys are watching, Vampire has your request. It's a very special one. So that will be coming up pretty soon as well. And a good way to kick off Halloween. Halloween store, the Spirit Halloween store is open now, so we'll start going Halloween themed. This channel's always Halloween themed. I don't know why you told me that, but anyway, you guys take care. Stay safe out there. Remember, be kind to everyone, especially be kind to animals. They know nothing but unconditional love, and it's been proven that being kind to people increases your lifespan. I just read stuff on that, some research on that. It releases good endorphins, which slows aging, and it's good for your heart, lowers your blood pressure, everything. So just being nice out of generality is fantastic, but be nice out of help for your health as well. So we'll see you next week. I have a review, actually still in the middle of the week. I was thinking of the weekend. So yeah, I have a review coming up. So anyway, take care. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.